Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Kraken Glove in Slap Battles by Bilify. Start at a high-traffic server and enable server hopping to find drops faster. Focus on locations known for glove spawns and mark them on your miniboard. Use consistent slap timing and practice movement to beat competitors. Consider teaming briefly to secure the item and then split up to avoid theft. Stay calm and persistent for best results. Begin by listing hotspot areas in your head and set a simple patrol loop. Keep movement unpredictable while watching common spawn points closely. If you spot other players, evaluate whether to engage or circle back when the coast is clear. Use quick slaps and brief retreats to secure weak opponents without wasting stamina. Remember that timing and area control matter more than raw slapping power in glove hunting. Adopt tactics like server hopping and silent approach to maximize glove chances. Train 1 or 2 slap combos until they are muscle memory for clutch grabs. Watch chat and player movements to predict when a spawn will be contested. Avoid obsessive chasing that wastes time. Instead, rotate through hotspots on a schedule. Keep cooldowns and stamina in mind to be ready the moment the Kraken Glove appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.